Did you ever sit on your toilet bowl, trying really hard, but you just can't go? Did you ever feel like you had to go, really trying hard, but you really don't? Did you ever sit on the toilet bowl, trying to push and squeeze and nothing will come at all? Did you ever feel like it's getting cold, 'cause you're sitting there and you're growing mold tonight? The night, the duty must shine. Just push and push, and the duty come out. 'Cause baby, I wanna shit. Give me something quick, and then let it go, and then I shit over, baby, I just wanna shit. Nothing's working, wanna shit. Then I push, and then I push again, Then I think real hard that I ate too much fucking rice and shit. What am I gonna do? Fucking laxatives aren't doing shit. I just wanna go. Nothing's working now. And I have to make a fucking duty now. But nothing's working and I fucking wanna fucking, yeah. Gotta make a duty in the toilet bowl. Nothing's working 'cause yeah, it's not working tonight. Tonight I'm gonna shine. Just push and push for the duty to come out. 'Cause baby, I just wanna shit. Sitting there, it's all that's it. Then I go, and all the duty will come out, 'cause baby, I just wanna shit. Baby, I just wanna shit. Singing I sound like shit because I really need to shit, shit, shit. No, no, no. There's no toilet in the moon. Everything is really gloomy, and I wanna make a duty. Baby, I just wanna shit. Sitting here and wanna shit. Then I go, and I look up on the ground, no duty, and then I fucking burn. No duty.